Hey YouTube, so I'm filming from my new dorm at Temple. If you hear any background noise, it's outside or the fridge, but so yes, my hair is blue. This is what it's looking like right now. I washed my hair probably like 4 or 5 times since I dyed it, so it's lighter than what it was at first. And the sides, like right here, were pink, like really like bright pink, but it's faded now, so can't really see it. But in the video, you'll see the process of me dyeing my hair. I'm not really gonna talk in the video, so it's just a little quick walkthrough because my friend dyed my hair for me, so y'all see. And the colors are gonna be in the description box. I didn't get a chance to film them, so I'm gonna put them below. So yeah, that was the process. Like I said, this is what my hair looks like now. My hair is getting curly. My relaxer's like not really in anymore. It's like growing out, and I've cut the back and stuff. So probably gonna wait till my hair grows out all the way, and then cut the relax part off, and I'm gonna like re-bleach it and dye it again. 'Cause I want to have colors. So yeah, all right. Hope you like this video. Like it, subscribe to my channel, watch all my videos, like all my videos, comment on my videos, you know. Alright, bye.